What is the correct answer?
It was very late when he came home.
What is the correct answer?
He has the body, but not the heart.
What is the correct answer?
Do you think we can do so?
What is the correct answer?
Don't you say a word.
What is the correct answer?
There was every reason for taking time.
What is the correct answer?
There were not more than 150 girls present.
What is the correct answer?
That was all she had to say.
What is the correct answer?
I don't know what it is about them.
What is the correct answer?
But it is not so with man.
What is the correct answer?
She put one hand on my arm.
What is the correct answer?
But at the moment he wasn't interested.
What is the correct answer?
You may not think so, but you have. It seemed as if he could not open it.
What is the correct answer?
How much would you know of them? It does no work to speak of.
What is the correct answer?
They'll tell you what to do. He knew the names of many animals.
What is the correct answer?
The scene was some feet below him. I have thought of it so often.
What is the correct answer?
He had very little knowledge to go on. When did you say you saw her?
What is the correct answer?
We have had enough of that. Now what do you make of that?
What is the correct answer?
In an instant I was a businessman. There was no one to look at me.
What is the correct answer?
There weren't flowers anymore. I walked by her side for a moment in silence.
What is the correct answer?
They are both young, you know. In fact, they are not particular.
What is the correct answer?
There is nothing like it in the world. But on Monday they are quite different.
What is the correct answer?
It might be all we can get. It was no use. She could not understand.
What is the correct answer?
You wouldn't believe how good they are. I'll make my own law for this case.
What is the correct answer?
Won't you tell me about it? That was a good many years ago.
What is the correct answer?
I won't have any more of it. But I don't think so now.
What is the correct answer?
I must say a few words to her. Messi is the best player in the world.
What is the correct answer?
When she saw him, she stopped. She has no other name than that.
What is the correct answer?
What does she think of it all? His interest in life was at an end.
What is the correct answer?
There was just one thing to do. But there wasn't any pleasure in it.
What is the correct answer?
It would only be for a few minutes. He is in the day and the night.
What is the correct answer?
But they are not made for attack. He is in town, isn't he?
What is the correct answer?
I admired you deeply on Sunday evening. My men Amy not make a clean job.
What is the correct answer?
but I will do what I can. You would not know it to look at her.
What is the correct answer?
For a quarter of an hour he was absent. The lips moved but made no sound.
What is the correct answer?
I thought so when you told me. I picked up much useful information in that way.
What is the correct answer?
They wandered on in silence for some time. You never saw such a thing in your life.
What is the correct answer?
There was a little blood on his shoulder.